Well, here I am trying to do another test run for my drone. Boy, it's cold outside. And trying to figure out how to run this thing, get the camera to look at me and to do some things. And well, I'm just having some fun out here. And so oh boy, can't seem to get this camera straight. So I'm going to try some things here today and add some things to it. I'm having a hard time out here. It's bright and my glasses darken up, so I have a hard time seeing the screen of the controller. So bear with me here as I play around a little bit. But anyway, this is fun times, having a good time playing around and trying to learn how to use this. I'm also actually right now, sort of after the fact, doing the editing of this video and just trying to make sure everything looks good here for my friends. So here we go. We'll go back to silence for a while. Well, I'm actually editing this audio. I'm adding audio. I can't record the audio. I don't have a microphone on me. I think I need to buy a microphone if I want to add audio in real time, but I'm adding audio after the fact. Hi, guys. I was trying to do some things. There's a follow me mode, and the darn thing wouldn't follow me. And I'm going to have to figure out how to get that to work. And I think I'll just sort of play around with it here as the snow hasn't melted off. Maybe tomorrow the snow will melt off things and I can go somewhere out in the park here and fly around a little bit without having to worry about where I'm going to take off my drone and get the snow into the drone. So don't want to ruin my drone, but just having a little fun flying around here today and playing with how to get familiar with controlling this thing, not running into all the wires around here. And I'm going to try some things here, getting close to the house and just sort of flying around here, looking around, controlling the camera, controlling the position of the drone, and just having a little fun here. Let me move up closer here to the house. Do a little experimenting. Boy, you can see clear through my house. Don't have any curtains on those windows up there in the attic, so from right here, I can see from one attic window to the other. And let me see. I'm trying to move a little bit close, but I don't want to crash this drone, so just sort of playing around here today with how this works out and how things go. So, oh boy, getting close over here to the wire, and I had problems getting a little bit close. There's some obstacle avoidance built into this drone, which is a good thing. And I had a hard time getting it close, and I think it's trying to avoid hitting the house, and it's telling me don't go any closer here because you're too close. But I moved up a little bit here and sort of moving around right now, and it's probably a little about as close as I want to get here because I'm afraid I'll hit something. But this is kind of cool to fly over here and take a look at my house kind of close up from far away. So anyway, um, I'll do some more things here pretty soon. I'm real anxious for the weather to warm up, the snow to go away, and I can go over to the park or go somewhere and do some practice here, doing some more fancier things, getting it to follow me. There's a follow me mode, which I'm really anxious to try out. So this is interesting. All right, I'm going to stop editing my audio for a short while, and we'll stop right here at least on the audio. You can continue to watch the video. Well, right here, I think I decided I'd fly up over the porch roof and play around a little bit. So bear with me here as I try some things. And I'm still adding audio. This audio is all after the fact. So anyway, just getting a feel for running the drone around, running the camera, and so maybe it's time to come back down and land this thing. So it's getting cold out here. My hands are getting cold. So I decided I'd set her down and come and do some editing. Learn some more about editing video on my iPad.